Hello all. Today we are going to see about what is service portal and service portal introduction. Okay, so we will see what is service portal in service now, and we will see the introduction, some brief introduction of service portal in service now. Okay, so what is service portal in service now? The service portal in service now is a powerful interface that provides users with a self-service platform to access various IT services, submit requests, view information, and interact with ServiceNow features in a user-friendly manner. And it is designed to improve the user experience by offering a customizable and initiate interface. So here are some primary uses of service portal in ServiceNow. So we will see one by one, which is self-service request and incident management, and it's used in knowledge-based access and request catalog and incident and request tracking and employee onboarding and offboarding also we will use, and it's used for task management, personalized user experience, and it's using in ServiceNow integration also, and it's used in chat and virtual agents, mobile access, and customization and branding. Finally, we have service and product delivery tracking. So these are the primary uses of service portal in ServiceNow. These are the primary, and we can see in many areas in this among this. Yeah. So we will see how the service portal configuration will be. Okay. So, service portal configuration refers to a customization and setup of the portal to meet the needs of different users and use cases. This involves several elements. Some of them are service portal pages, widgets, themes, and brandings. So, what I'm telling, so these elements will involve in service portal configuration. So some of them we will see, like first one is service portal pages, widgets, themes and brandings, and access control and permissions, and catalogs and request, user interface configuration, service portal designer, and data integration and sources. It's in security and performance optimization also. So here these are the configurations, so which involves major elements. Okay, some of them are these 10. So I have gave you some 10 samples here, which involves, yeah. So we will see what languages. So we know the service portal is used in ServiceNow. So what languages, what programming languages do we need to know before diving into the service portal? So to we can tell we have 5 languages. So to use ServiceNow portal, we should be familiar with HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Bootstrap, AngularJS, and some basic knowledge in ServiceNow. So you need to get some basic knowledge also in ServiceNow so that you can manage uh, you can manage the ServiceNow while creating your service portals. So these 5 languages, which is HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Bootstrap, AngularJS, is should be must and should be familiar. And sixth one is basics in ServiceNow. So the reason is you need to know how the ServiceNow will works. Some basic knowledge is enough for service portal. Yeah. And if we see what are some uses and benefits of service portal in ServiceNow. Okay, we will see one by one. So, Service Portal in ServiceNow enhances the user experience by offering self-service, automation, and ease of access to services, while also streamlining business processes, workflows across various departments in any organization. Like by using Service Portal, there may be a many dependency like catalog items, workflows. We will see in upcoming thing. Okay. So here are some of key uses and benefits of the service portal. So we will see one. First one is service capabilities, enhanced user experience, knowledge sharing and collaboration, service request and approvals. And we have incident reporting and tracking. So for incident reporting and tracking also we are using service portals, right? For user and access control and security, integration with other service modules. So it's using for integrations also for the service portal and automated workflows. Yeah, workflows. Workflows is some major part in service portal. Like if we submit any forms, so these workflows will get trigger in background. So that automated workflows will occur there. And ninth one is performance analysis and reporting. And next one is mobile friendly interface. So it's mobile friendly. Actually, the service portal in ServiceNow is. And 11th one is personalization and customization and incident and problem management. Yeah, it's used in incident and problem management. That's what we can see in previous slides. And SLA tracking. Yeah, the SLA tracking also it use. Yeah, and enable the ServiceNow plugin. So before starting, like if you are new to the ServiceNow service portal in ServiceNow, so you need to check whether the service portal plugin is enabled or not. So how we can check? So that we will see now. So to enable service portal plugin, okay, to enable, so you need to go system definition in all navigation. You need to go for system definition. Under system definition, you can see plugins. If you open that, you will get some collection of plugins there. There you just search service portal. Okay, so you will get some um, recommendations upon your keyword like service portal. In that, you need to activate the plugin if it is not enabled. If it is enabled, just you can ignore that. If it is not enabled before doing service portal activities, you should must and do enable the service portal plugin in your instance. So this is must and should before starting some development activities. If you are new, before starting service portal activities, you need to make sure the service portal plugin is enabled or not. And this is the path which you can check or you can enable your service portal plugin in your instance. Okay, so till now we have seen users, benefits, and how we can enable plugins and many more we have see, right? So now we will see like if you need to create or customize, edit anything, if you need to do thing, how we will how we need to go to that. Okay, for that we will see how to open service portal configuration. So in our instance, okay, just in our instance, just type service portal in navigation and you will get service portal configuration as below. See, how we need to open, right? So just go to all, in all navigation, just type service portal. There you will find service portal configuration. Just click that to develop your activities related to service portal. Okay, if you click that, you will get a window. So this is the window which you will get while clicking on that service portal configuration. Once you click that, this window will get. Okay, so here you can see branding editor, designer, page editor, widget editor, new portal, get help. So these three functions can be happen in this window. Okay, and we will see one by one what these six will do for service portal. Okay, we will first check branding editor. So branding editor is used to customize portal title, logo, themes, colors. We can preview changes as we make them. means if if as a developer you need to customize a portal title or some other contents or logo, picture, mm, theme colors or some colors, some button color, something. Okay, so this all item can be done under branding editor. So which you can see, right? So this is the uh, you can see that branding editor. So after changing those things, like if you, for example, we have edited some logo, but you need to preview before going to main portal, like before going to production or something. So you need to preview. Preview in the sense you need to check whether I have developed correct or not, whether the output is coming correct or not. Like that, you need to check means you have an option to preview that portal which you have designed in branding editor. If you open that branding editor, you can see everything. Okay. So let's go to designer. So in designer, we are using drag and drop functionality. So by using drag and drop functionality, we can okay, create and layout pages. And here also you can preview pages as we make them. Like for example, you have done some changes in designer and you need to preview before going to the production or something else. You need to check whether it's working fine or not. So as a developer, you need to know, right? So you can just click preview and you can see everything, whether your code scripts it's working or expected or not. Okay. So this is the actual code designer. And if you go to the page editor, by using page editor, you can configure page properties, containers, widgets from a map view. So by using map view, okay, you can configure page properties, containers, and widgets. And we can do this type of like page, you can change, configure everything. Like you can change existing one, I think, not new one. You can configure existing page properties, containers, widgets, everything under page editor. Okay. So coming to widget editor. By using widget editor, we can create new widgets from scratch. For example, if if client wants any new widget, new portal page, something, if they want, so you need to create a new widget for that. You doesn't have any existing one. If you need to create new widget, so here by using widget editor, you can create a widget from scratch. So it's very easy. So, and you can customize an existing one also. For example, there is one out of box widget which is given by ServiceNow by defaultly, or some other widgets which is developed by some other developer, but you need to edit some items in that widget. So for that thing also we can use widget editor. So these two things, we can create a new widgets from scratch and a customization of existing widgets. Okay, and we can do real-time previews also. Like if you need to test whether the code and the output will get as expected, so we can preview after doing the changes in widget editor, so that you can avoid some conflicts and you will be sure like my our code is working as expected. So you can preview here in widget editor also. And if you go to new portal section, in new portal you can create new service portal. So if you need to create any new service portal, so you can use new portal section so that you can create a new service portal in ServiceNow. So finally, we are going to get help. So in get help, by using get help, we can browse guides, tutorials, videos to learn how to set up, okay, and configure and customize the portals. So what I am to try to tell is, so in by using get help, okay. You can browse the guides, tutorials, videos, and you can get if you got any doubt, like how to configure, how to design like that, you can get everything under Get Help. If you just click on Get Help, you will redirect to the related one and you can search there what you need, and you will get the related items of the documents, previous ones, like solution, I can say. You can get the solutions by using the Get Help if you got any, you have stuck at any phase like that. Okay, so this is the use of Get Help. And yeah, thank you.